You are listening to chartingwealth.com, and this is our daily review for Monday, the 8th of June, 2015. Have you always wanted to know how the stock market worked and why? Well, at chartingwealth.com, we make it easy. Every day we track the total market, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and gold, just those four things. We show you what's happening and why with no hype. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and learn how the markets really work, and then figure out how to make your millions. Now, we are not a stock calling service. We are not a financial advisory firm. Our opinions are our own, and they are in no way to be taken as financial advice of any kind whatsoever. Let's get into the market. IYY. That is the total market fund. What is it doing? Well, do you see all those red boxes? Those are candles, and that is showing us that we are in a confirmed down move. There is a blue line above those red boxes. That is our 2-day trend line, and it is holding up, showing down movement. We have something called a MACD crossing over between the 28th and the 1st. What is the MACD? That is the moving average convergence divergence. It is the one big indicator that we use, and it shows us when the blue line crosses the red on the way down, we know that the market is moving down. We are significantly moving down. The derivative oscillator is significantly moving down over the last 2 days. Now let's go back from the 2-day chart to the 4-hour chart and see what we see. Well, you can see on the 2-day chart, the afternoon ended up just a little bit, but overall, the day was quite a down day. The derivative oscillator continued to heat up. The MACD crossed over all the way back between the 22nd excuse me, and the 26th. Actually, the morning of the 26th pulled the 4-hour chart down, and we have been in a confirmed down move since then on the 4-hour chart. The 2-day chart also parallels the 4-hour chart, so we're in a confirmed down move on IYY. If we go back to the 2-day and we switch over to the S&P 500, which is not all the stocks like the IYY is, it's the 500 stocks that make up, companies that make up the Standard & Poor's 500, we can see it is also in a confirmed down move. Somehow I'm redrawing our trend line. It is absolutely as easy as I'm doing it on the screen. It's in a confirmed down move. Crossed over going down between the 28th and the 1st. Actually, the morning of the 1st is when that occurred. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see that it's been a confirmed down move since the 26th. And again, SPY is down. Now, what's interesting is as we go to the 2-day chart and the Qs, which is the NASDAQ 100, it crossed over right at the end of the week going down on the 2-day chart. It has broken, of course, the 2-day trend line. To cross over like that, it has to break the 2-day trend line, which it has done. A lot of indecision on the 2-day candle back on the 3rd of June. It is a confirmed down move. If we range out to the 4-hour chart, you will see that it crossed over going down on the morning of the 29th, and it is of May. It's continued to move down since then. And again, broke the trend line 2 days ago. We're in a confirmed down move on the Qs also. So all three of our stock indices are down. Now we're going to lastly range out to the 2-day chart again and go to gold. What's up with gold? Well, gold crossed over going down between the 26th and the 28th on the 2-day chart. It broke over the last 2 days. It was following the trend line moving down, and it still is. Gold also has seen an acceleration in the derivative oscillator. It is in a confirmed down move. Now let's look at what gold has been doing on the 4-hour chart, and you can see that it is well below the 2-day trend line, and it is accelerating on the derivative oscillator, crossed over again on the chart going down on the afternoon, actually, of the 3rd of June. So gold is also down. What does that mean for us overall? Well, it means that everything on our charts is down. Is that surprising for this time of year? Not at all. This is a thinly traded time of year. That means a lot of the volume leaves. The sell in May and go away adage is at work. So people sell go on vacation, don't want to have their money at risk, and a lot of the money leaves the market. Market can go up and down and all around in the summertime, nothing really driving it, nothing really driving it this week. Pay attention. Realize that the big waves in the market are down. So if you do find some up movement, be very careful of that unless there's a lot in the market that changes to back that up. So we're in a confirmed down move on gold and all of our indexes. Hope that helps you as you start your week on Monday. Please join us every day where we track the markets for you, help you find your way. And again, we're not calling the stocks, we're not calling the indices. We're just trying to educate you and hopefully help you find out where things are, where they're going, and you make your own decisions. God bless. Please join us at chartingwealth.com. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. We love to hear from you. Great trading, wonderful investing. God bless you.